Asset management is foundational to cybersecurity and IT. But having an accurate understanding of what's in your environment, with complex networks of devices, users, cloud services, and software, is easier said than done. Thankfully, getting a comprehensive understanding of your assets just got simpler. Axonius lets you discover, manage, and secure your assets, from hardware to software, cloud, identities, and SaaS apps. Our cyber asset attack service management and SaaS management solutions integrate with hundreds of data sources to create a single source of truth and a comprehensive asset inventory that helps you understand the full context of any asset and make informed decisions that set your organization up for success. Working with the tools you already have, Axonius gives your IT and security teams the confidence to control complexity, maximize security control coverage, minimize misconfigurations, prioritize vulnerabilities, augment IT operations, and respond to incidents faster, all while eliminating manual, repetitive tasks. Axonius Cybersecurity Asset Management gives you a complete inventory of all hardware and software assets, the ability to continuously identify security and IT risks, and helps you benefit from automation and orchestration to maximize efficiency. Axonius SaaS Management discovers all SaaS apps, identifies misconfigurations and data security risks, and delivers insights for IT management and cost optimization. In our rapidly evolving world, complexity is inevitable. That's why Axonius helps you move away from reactive, day-to-day problem solving to focus on the bigger picture.